Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, loosen the screws securing the base cover to slide and lift the cover off the system. Find the hard drive module and press the blue tabs to unlatch it. Remove the module from the system. Identify the wireless module and remove the screws securing it. Unlatch and disconnect the cables to remove the module from the system. To reinstall the wireless module, reconnect the cables and relatch it. Secure the module with the screw. Place the hard drive module back in the system and latch it into place. Secure the base cover with the screw. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.